GBPUSD has dropped also as a Euro USD and also some other pairs against the US dollars. We can see that this week was strong bearish week for the bears and also bad week for the bulls. The week has started here with this bearish pin bar. I will put here a label, just a minute. It is on a daily. It is a bearish pin bar. And we had another one here. So on a Monday, the price has formed this bearish pin bar right here around 1.2650, which is a critical level I have mentioned in the previous analysis. So I have also mentioned that the price could find some kind of a retrace when the price reaching this area, because it is a very strong resistance for the price on a daily and also on a weekly time frame, and this could trigger a sell-off for the price. This has happened, just it was mentioned several analyses before, so the price has dropped very strongly. We can see that on a Monday the price has formed a first signal, which is a bearish pin bar right here where the resistance is and also the supply zone is. Then on a Tuesday the price has dropped down, but returning back up where the bulls have preventing the price from moving down, and also the sellers who are waiting here did not find enough strength. So the bulls have tried again to push the price on higher levels, so reaching this downtrend trend line, and which is acting as a resistance, but the sellers did not allow the price to reach higher levels and close the day above this previous week and a candle high. So the price has dropped down, and on a Thursday it was a really sell-off where the price has lost its ground and the price returned strongly down. We can see that the price has tried to reach again high levels with this week around 1.2641, and the price has dropped down to 1.2496, almost 200 pips. So on a Friday the price has continued to move down, and it has reached this demand zone where the buys are. Let's see on the weekly analysis how this looks. After several bullish weeks, we can see that the price has reached this confluence of resistance I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, and the price has dropped down. We can see that this strong bearish candle has overtook almost 2 weeks, which means a very strong sell-off, which has been triggered by the buyers who have exited here around this area and the sellers who have entered waiting for the price to reach this level to push and to sell the price around this area. On a monthly time frame this looks not so strong, because we have only 2 weeks passed in this month, so there are 2 weeks more. But I also have mentioned that this month we could expect that the price will drop down around this area 1.23 price level, because after the strong move and also the breakout of this strong resistance, the price needs to find a support before moving further up. So this has happened, just it was mentioned, and we have seen what has happened on a daily and also weekly analysis. Now let's take a look what our multi-time frame analysis can say and what we can see starting from the monthly time frame. As it was mentioned, this is the critical level for the price on the monthly time frame, and that is 1.232 price level, which is a critical level for the buyers to break above in the previous month. The previous month has been the critical one, but now we need to find a breakout confirmation, and that means the price needs to return back down, confirm this previous resistance, now acting as a support around this area where the 1.23 price level is, and also around the week where are around 1.24. So for the monthly time frame we can see that this is the critical level 1.24 and 1.23 price level. If the price stays this month above 1.23 price level, this will mean that we could have a confirmation of support on the monthly time frame, which will suggest that the price will continue to move to higher time frames. The critical level for the buyers on the higher side is 1.26 price level. We can see this is the critical level where the sell-off has started right now, and it is critical for the future move to the upside. Let's see how this looks on a weekly time frame so we can expect what will happen. I have mentioned on the monthly time frame that 1.23 price level is a critical one, which is around this area here. It was also a critical level in the past for the price to reach higher levels. So this will act as a support. The first one for the price on the weekly time frame, the first support is this one here, 1.24 price level. If the price will likely to reach this price level of next week, but we will see how this looks on a daily time frame. On a weekly time frame, this is a critical level. If the price goes below this price area, which is 1.24 price level, the next one where the price will stop is this one, 1.232 price level, close to 1.23 round number. So these are the critical levels for the price on the weekly time frame, and I'm expecting that the price will continue to drop down to 1.24, and we will see on the daily time frame what are the critical levels there. So the price is heading around 1.23 on also on the monthly time frame, which is a very critical we have seen in the past for the price. On the daily time frame, we can see that after the strong sell-off around more than 200 pips, we can see that the first support where the price will find is this one here. We can see that in the past the price had problems to reach higher levels. It is 1.2411 price level and also 1.2404. So it is an area, as it is visible on a weekly time frame, that this one is a critical level for the buys right now. If they hold the price here, which is less likely because we can see that the price is moving down and the first daily support is this one and the next one is here. So the price will have free space to bounce between these two areas. The first one, 1.24 price level, is a daily time frame support, and if the price doesn't hold here, we can see that in the past when the price was heading down, which means the price was dropping, the price did not stop completely at this area. The first one where the price had problem is 1.237. So for the first, on the daily time frame, I'm expecting that the price will drop down here to this area, and from there I will see what will happen, but there is a high probability that the price will continue to move down, reaching this area 1.2370. Next, the confluence of support for the price is here around 1.23, which is a very critical level on a weekly, monthly and also daily time frame. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down on a weekly time frame around 1.237 price, which is visible on a daily time frame, and there is a possibility that there will be some kind of wicks trying to reach here around this area before bouncing up. The sellers who have entered here will try to exit around these areas, and also the buyers will try to enter to push the price higher. So I'm expecting a very high confluence of support here between the buyers and sellers, where the price will try and to retrace on the higher levels. So for now, for the price, how it looks, I'm expecting that the price will drop down, reaching lower levels before finding stronger support to continue to move up, which is visible on a weekly and also monthly time frame, and we have seen on a daily also. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.